The economy of Pakistan is regarded as an agrarian economy to which small and poor farmers contribute the major portion. Yet they are not enjoying the facilities of good and healthy life. Agriculture has a considerable contribution in the GDP. During the 1960s, the share of agriculture in GDP was 65%, whereas today it contributes a mere 25%, but still provides 65% of total export and employs 45% of the total labor force. This situation has caused a major burden on national exchequer. And to add insult to the injury, the involvement of foreign funders, especially the IMF and the World Bank, in forming government's policies has worsened already deplorable condition of the agriculture sector and the common man in Pakistan. Pakistan has a population of 140 million plus. 67% of the total population is directly involved in agriculture. More than 80% constitute poor farmers, having less than 10 acres of land, and only 2% of the total population own more than 100 acres of land. Ironically, these 2% feudal landlords mainly control the politics and economy of Pakistan, and as such, control the lives and fates of more than 80% population of farmers, voiceless and poor. Farmers Development Program mainly addresses this large section of Pakistan, poor men and women agriculturists. The purpose of this program is to educate and organize farmers not only to confront dismal rural poverty they are facing, but also help enable them to fight for their rights. The program envisages forming poor farmer groups and their networks, increasing awareness of farmers' rights, supporting poor farmers' rights movement, sharing experiences, reviving indigenous knowledge system, developing sustainable models of farming, creating opportunities for poor farmers' participation in decision-making forums. Farmers who are participating in this program are farmers with less than 5 acres of land, peasants cultivating land less than 10 acres, landless farmers, farmers with low capital, farmers from minority groups, and women farmers.
The program formally started in November 1999 in 2 provinces of Pakistan, namely Sindh and Punjab. The response of poor farmers, men and women, was overwhelming to say the least. Training and education of small farmers to build their capacity is the most important part of the program. It ranges from group organization to organic farming.
Technical know-how for better produce and marketing is another part of the program. It immediately brings dividends to fight poverty. Discussions on gender equity, peace, democracy and good governance played an essential role in the development of the program and participants. It brings people together and strengthens poor.
Linkages with government departments have proved successful, contrary to general impression that the 9 departments do not cooperate.
Setting up poor farmers' networks to raise collective voice and take actions. The approach created a sense of cooperation amongst the farmers' committees which were never existed. The approach created a sense of cooperation amongst the farmers' committees which was never there. Sharing information on relevant issues is another important feature. It empowers the poor as they have been consciously denied their right to information.
Issue-based rallies and seminars encouraged the poor farmers to voice for social justice.
Rural theatre and indigenous cultural activities are important part of the program as they are progressive, secular and are closer to the hearts of farmers.
जमीन बंजर है, ये किसान की वजह से बंजर नहीं है। ये जमीन
ये कि मर्दां ते औरतां दी इकट्ठी कमेटी होएगी। औरतां मर्दां नूं इकट्ठा क्यों रखने आ? ये भी एक सवाल है। और ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਹੁਣ ਇੰਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਇਹ ਆਖਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ
Within the period of less than 2 years, the farmers have been organized in 17 districts of Sindh and Punjab, whereas 840 farmers training programs have been organized.
सारे सन बोल्ड एंड अपने किसान कमेटियां दे ते हुण जेह्ड़े लोग अगे सब करान पुछदे भी ना महकमे वाले भी सारे को पुछदे यार ज़राअत वाले भी सारे को आंदे उस को आके आदन यार सारे कोई तुसां अपना फसल चेक करवानी है तो असां चेक करेंगे क्योंकि थोड़ा जिहा जानी कि सारा उत्थां ज़बरदस्त प्रेशर बन गया है और सह पावन कर
दूसरी गल है कि किसानों के हकूक के हवाले नाल किसानों की पॉलिसियां के हवाले नाल मालूमात हुई ने कि गवर्नमेंट साडी किस किस्म दी पॉलिसियां बनाती है और वो पॉलिसियां बनाने वाले कौन होंदे ने।
there are 190 farmers groups and associations and 43 resource organizations. 33 demonstration plots around organic farming. There are 2 provincial networks of farmers representing thousands of men and women poor farmers, and a new movement of poor farmers is initiated. The farmers, with the help of South Asia Partnership Pakistan, brings out a monthly newspaper called Chanan, literally means light. The newspaper is supported by the farmer committees. 25,000 copies of the newspaper are printed every month, which are read by thousands and thousands of men and women farmers. Aside from Government of Pakistan taking badly needed policy measures such as land reforms coupled with mass education and providing better infrastructure for marketing, etc., there is the need that the farmers' institutions are set up in Pakistan, where they themselves decides for their fates and lives. It is a mission which requires long-term missionary efforts. Hundreds of thousands of poor farmers in Pakistan are the hope. Let's keep this hope alive.